Okay, for us to solve number 12, it gives us the volume and then it gives us a formula. And so they're asking us to solve for x. So the volume is 63 pi. The formula is the height, which we know is 7 from the drawing, pi r squared. So we know this is 63 pi, and it equals the height, which is 7, pi, r is x. So it's going to be x squared. And we want x to be by itself, so I'm going to divide both sides by 7 pi. The pi's cancel on both sides. The 7's cancel here. 63 divided by 7 is 8, and it equals x squared. So in order to find x, you're going to take the square root of both sides, and x equals, put it in the calculator, the square root of 8.
63 divided by 7 is not 8.
Oh, it's not. 63 divided by 7 is 9. Forget that. Okay, so let me erase this mistake. 63 divided by 7 is not 8. It is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So your radius is 3. On the next one, you have the volume is 72 times the square root of 2. And also, the volume is square root of 2 over 3 times the side cubed. Well, the side is x. So I'm going to put these two equal to each other. And that's 72 times the square root of 2 equals the square root of 2 over 3 x to the third. So if I want x all by itself, I've got to get rid of the root 2 over 3, and the way that you would do that is multiply by the reciprocal. So I'd multiply by 3 over square root of 2, and I'd do the same thing here. Multiply by 3 over the square root of 2. The root 2's cancel. In this case, on this side, everything cancels, and you're left with x to the third. So on the left-hand side, you just do 3 times 72, which 3 times 72 is, got to do it the right way, is 216. And that's what x to the third power is. If I want x by itself, I'm going to have to take the cubed root of both sides, and x equals, put in the cubed root of 216, so you'd go to math, cubed root is number 4, and put 216 in the calculator, and it equals 6. Okay, a weir is a dam, I think you'd call it weir, is a dam that's built across a river to regulate the flow of water. The flow rate, Q, in feet cubed per second can be calculated by using the formula Q equals 3.367 times the length times the height to the exponent 3 over 2, where L is the length of the bottom of the spillway and H is the depth of the water on the spillway. Determine the depth of the water on the spillway if it is if it's 20 feet long and the flow is 124 feet cubed per second. So you have these two formulas, and you know it's going to be 124 equals 3.367 times L, which we know to be 20, times the height to the exponent 3 over 2. Okay, so I'm going to divide both sides by 3.367 and 20. Okay, this cancels, and you're left with h to the 3 over 2 equals, and I'm going to put it in alpha y equals. In the numerator, it's 124, and in the denominator, it's 3.367, and 20's in the denominator as well. So this equals, the height is 1.841. I'm carrying it to 3 decimal places because that's what they did. And I'm going to take each of these to the exponent 2 over 3. So you have 1.841 to the exponent 2/3, and your height is 1.502 excuse me, and that's in feet.